YouTube. So after being asked a couple of questions, I reckon I'd do a short little follow-up video on the Korg KP3. Try to enlighten some answers to them. Nonetheless, the first question was about the program BPM switch. And here it is. As I had mentioned in the comments, it's a rotary encoder. And being that there's leads at the bottom and the top, it's not exactly the easiest thing to get out, but if you have already got a new one, you could probably just take a little pair of side snips, tiny ones, and carefully snip these leads at the bottom and the top. That way initially all you're dealing with is the metal casing, these two contacts here. But nonetheless, these in my history of equipment have been they can play up quite a bit. Now for the second question, I had been asked about the input volume. And this is the potentiometer for the input volume. The left and the right, it's a split system. So what may happen is if this goes intermittent, it could be intermittent on just the right channel. Nonetheless, it probably needs to be changed. And if you kind of wiggle it as you're turning it and you hear the audio kind of be scratchy in and out, that definitely is an intermittent potentiometer. So that would be the easy change for that. Now the part number for the program BPM switch that I was able to find is as follows. And the part number for the input volume potentiometer is as follows that I was able to find. Nonetheless, I can't remember, but I believe I've been asked, kind of about the LEDs that I had done. Nothing too fancy. I could have used SMD, but I already had these 3mm LEDs laying around. I had thousands of them. I buy in bulk. So it really wasn't nothing to just, do it as I did. Absolutely lovely. Anyways, hope that kind of answers a little bit of questions. Later.